everybody, this is Sam. In this video, I'm gonna talk a little bit about the slope of the straight line. How to find the slope of a straight line in the graph. Actually, slope is just telling us how steep is the line, or how steep a line is. We can find the slope of a line by using the rule slope of a line equals a change in y, a change in y over a change in x. Or we can use another formula which is rise over run. We can abbreviate the change in y over change in x by delta y over delta x. Delta y means a change in y, delta x means a change in x. Or we can say that a change in y means the difference between y's. It means y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Again, slope actually means a change in y over a change in x, or equals rise over run, rise over run. We can abbreviate this by delta y over delta x. A change in y means delta y, a change in x means delta x. A change in y actually means difference between y's. Change in x means difference between x's. Imagine that we have an xy plane like this, and we have 2 points. The first point is 2 and 2, and the second point is 6 and 4. 6 and 4. How to find the slope of the line connecting these 2 points? Okay. The first step, you can apply the rule which is rise over run. It's easy. How can we find the rise over run? Imagine that you construct a triangle like this on the line. Now, rise means the vertical line. This is called rise. The line that is parallel to y-axis called rise. Or the difference between y's. Rise means difference between y's. Let's take a look at the first y. The first y is 2 and the second y is 4. So the difference between 4 and 2, 2. So this side will be 2. And let's take a look to the values of x's. We have x2 and x6. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. So the run will be 4. Now let's apply the rule. The rise is 2 and the run is 4. We can reduce this formula. All terms are divisible by 2 over 2 1 over 2 2. So the reduced form will be half, 1/2. Good. So with respect to this line, we found the slope between 2 points, 2 and 2, 6 and 4. And we get the slope equals half. Good. What if we tried to find the slope between another 2 points? Another 2 points. Say, let this point 2 and 2 as it is. Let's change the point 6 and 4 to be, say, 4 and 3. This is a point on the line 4 and 3. Because 4 and 3 is a point on the line that lies on the line. Okay. Now let's try to find the slope. Okay. Let's construct a triangle like this. The difference between y's 3 minus 2 equals 1. This is the rise. The difference between x's is 4 minus 2, which is 2. This is the run. So the value of the slope is half. This means that the slope between these 2 points is the same like the slope between these 2 points, and each time equals half. Okay. Let's take another 2 points. This was 6 and 4. Let's try to find the slope between these 2 points. Okay. Difference between y's is 1. Difference between x is 6 minus 4 is 2. The same. This means if we have a line, the slope between any 2 points, it doesn't change from segment to another segment, from place to another place. I mean, the slope between these 2 points is the same as the slope between these 2 points, is the same as the slope between these 2 points. And each time the slope equals half. One student will ask me, what if we try to find the slope between these 2 points? Is the slope will be equals half? Yes, it is. The slope will be half. That's good. Now, let's look at a very important note. Very important note. Let's revise. We said this slope actually equals rise over run. Good. And the rise is the vertical line. The run is the horizontal line. Good. What if we have a straight line passing through the origin? If we have a line passing through the origin, and we have a point like this, say 4 and 3. X is 4 and 4, yes. X is 4, y is 3, approximately 4 and 3. If we have a point like this, and the line, we know that it passes through the origin, how can we find the slope? I'll give you an easy strategy. Just divide y over x. The slope would be 3 over 4. How come? Y over x. This is because if you try to draw a triangle like this, you can see that the rise is the y value, which is 3, and the run is 4. And according to the rule that states slope equals the rise over run, the rise is 3 and the run is 4, so the slope will be 3 over 4. Good. I can give you an example about this. Example. If we have a line like this, and we have a point on the line which is 4 and 3, and on the other side we have another point like this, here in this region, and this point is K and L. This point is K and L, and he asked you find K over L. Good. From the line, you can see that the slope is 3 over 4, and the slope from the point 4 and 3 is 3 over 4, and the slope of the point K and L is L over K, because this is the slope of the line and this is the slope of the same line. What is he asking about? He asking about to find K over L, but you have L over K. You can find the reciprocal. If you want to find k over L, this will be equals 4 over 3. 4 over 3. So the value of k over L equals 4 over 3. So in this video, you learn it how to find the value of the slope in the graph. Again, the slope equals a change in y over a change in x equals rise over run equals delta y over delta x, and we know that if the line passes through the origin, you can find the slope from only one point on the line by dividing the coordinate of y over the coordinate of x. I hope that you are enjoyed this video and you understand how to find the value of the slope. Have a nice day and see you later. Bye.